Hi, Mark with Hothead Headliners. We have here the rear side window panels for the Sky OneTouch tops. They come right out of the Jeep. If you don't know how these come out of your Jeep, it's super easy. You just reach in, flip these things from the inside, and then it just falls right out. You probably already know that, so I'm not going to go too far into detail. If you bought one of our headliners, the soft top headliners for it that retract with it, these are the windows we're going to be selling with it. They're just like this. They don't go all the way around because there's no room here. So we're going to show real quick how to install it, and then we're going to show you what they look like. The first thing you're going to need to do is get some alcohol. You're just going to clean these areas where this tape is going to go. So I'm going to get a little alcohol on the rag. Wipe these areas off. Now you don't have to get perfect. We send the Velcro, it's long, so you don't have to worry about getting it perfectly in line where it's going to go. The strip that goes here and here, you're going to be perfectly in line because there's no room to not be. The tape just fits in, the Velcro just fits in those spots. So what you're going to do is just going to peel this Velcro off here. And what you want to do when you install this stuff, don't pull the whole back off. You're just going to pull a few inches of it off. Hold the cellophane down. Get it started. Get one end of it stuck. And then pull that off. And you can hold it nice and straight in there. Rub it down. Pull this one off. And like I said, this one's much bigger than the piece on that side. So if you're anywhere close, you're going to catch all of it. Rub that down. This one's much smaller. Kind of tight in there. Stick it down. Pull some more so you can pull it straight. Put it in there as even as you can. And then that's it. Then all you got to do is take your panel and just lay it right in place. There's no way you can put this thing in wrong. It smooshes down right in there perfect. And there you have it. It fits all the way in here, all the way up this side. You're going to do the other side exactly the same.